Billy Mills' iconic sprint to win the Olympic 10,000-meter run captured the imagination of the world.
Here's Mills, who seems to be boxed in. Suddenly there's an opening, and here he comes.
Here they come down the final out. Can Ron Clark catch the Mooney that's going through the field? He's coming up. He's passing the Mooney. Look at Mills. Look at Mills. Look at Mills.
Since that singular moment, Billy has used his gift to empower our next generation.
You use the virtue of wisdom to make the right choices for yourself. The right choices will empower you. Then as you become empowered, later on in life as you complete your educational journey, then you go out and you empower other people.
Billy's foundation, Running Strong for American Indian Youth, has empowered thousands of Native children. Oaxaca Pueblo sculptor George Rivera has captured Billy's iconic moment in bronze. The 11-foot-tall statue is ready to be cast. The goal is for the statue to be displayed at the athletic stadium during the Olympics. Please help honor Billy by signing the petition to help his statue make it to Tokyo. To voice your support, go to www.globalrunningculture.org.